All right, what's up, guys? I'm here in St. Louis this weekend. We're bowling Holiday Doubles, which is a $10,000 doubles tournament. I'm bowling with Cameron Doyle, who lives here, bowls. This is his home alley at St. Clair Bowl, and we're out here trying to win $10,000. Hopefully we bowl well. It's going to take about it usually takes about like 420, 440 to make the cut. So we got 8 games today, hopefully 5 more tonight, and then hopefully a top 12 match play in the morning. But until then, I'll see you guys at the bowling alley, and here we go.
What's up, everybody? Packy's not here today. My name is Mike Flanagan. I'm going to be taking over today's house video. Make sure you go subscribe to InsideBowling.com. Check me out over on YouTube. Inside Bowling on YouTube. It's a much better channel. I have his camera. He has no idea that I have his camera, right? I'm actually going to surprise him right now. I'm going up to this players only meeting. He's bowling this squad, and I'm going to see how quick he notices that I've got his camera. So here's AJ Johnson.
What's up, man?
Hey, who's the better bowler, Packy Hanrahan or Mike Flanagan?
Well, if Packy's in the question, it's anybody other than Packy.
Okay.
So I think you're good.
I stole his camera.
Oh, yeah.
I stole
perfect.
Packy's camera.
Yeah, then,
He
yeah.
has no idea that I have his camera.
Good.
And I think he's going to be like, man, Flanagan got the same rig I do? Packy's my favorite PBA bowler, no offense.
Is he?
Yeah.
I don't like that. Thanks.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it really means a lot for Mike.
You guys have one.
You're just saying that because you have his camera.
You guys have
It's
one
okay.
one thing in common. You know what it is?
Do I want to hear this?
No.
Am I going to get mad at you?
Yeah. You guys have the same amount of titles.
Yeah. How about TV shows?
You're basically the same bowler. Yeah. So everybody, this is my YouTube channel. This is my video camera. I got a really nice rig here. This is my YouTube channel. Everybody say hi. My name's Packy Hanrahan. Everybody say hi. Everybody say hi. So evidently this wasn't cool enough to put in the vlog, so I brought the camera in for him. I'm gonna hand it off to him.
We're in game 3 right now, starting up game 3. We're plus 40. I'm like even, Cam's plus 40, and I need to stop throwing it hard and straight and start wheeling it because hard and straight is splitting on bad shots and not striking on good ones. So, time to change game plans. All right, well, we are through game 3, and I shot 160 after that change of game plan with like 4 splits in a row, and I strung a 3-bagger to finish. So we need to go back to hard and straight, and hopefully this counterattack looks good, because if it doesn't, we're just not going to make a cut.
Hey, let me tell you something about Packy. He throws it good. He's really good. He's really good at bowling. Rambo Ray approved.
Back to play, game 3 we went back to throwing it, or game 4 I guess. We went back to firing it hard and straight with the counterattack, shot 290. Cam had 210, which puts us at like 105 over that game, 130 overall. We're gonna need a couple 500s here, the back 4, to put us even close. Cut's gonna be like 450 over, so gotta make a run. Game 6 is over. We shot 530. We're at like 330, 310. What are we at? 320? We're at 318 over. We need like another 140 to be safe the next 2 games. So 150? Yeah, so we get to 460, 450, we'll be safe. So 2 more good games. Hopefully one of them's another like 530 and we'll be in. All right, well, we had 481 that game, which puts us at 399 over. We're going to need to get to like 450, so just need another big game. Hopefully, same, another 480, 490 here, and we'll be in soft with 5 more games tonight. All right, well, we finished up here at Holiday Doubles. We shot like 433 the last game. We needed 463 or 453. Just wasn't enough, but good trip overall. Made a little money in brackets, and time to pack it up and go home. But until then, see you on the next one.